Now that we have an understanding of IDs, classes and divs, we can explore some of these style definitions that allow us to customize the look of our HTML element. We'll begin with margins. Margins allow you to add spacing around the perimeter of your element. A margin can be added to any one side or a combination of sides. Let's add some margins to the div we created in the last lecture. In order to see the bottom margin, we will need to place a line of text under with the div. Enter a line of text in your new div under your original. Now, to apply the margin, we need to add the margin definition to our div1 ID. This is because we are adding the margin to div1. To add margin, simply type margin. And then the amount of margin will go with the 10 pixels. Margin to begin with, and we will increase it to show you the difference. So let's take a look at what a 10 pixels margin looks like. So we save this file and we are going to preview it in our web browser. This is the margin of 10 pixels. So a 10 pixel margin has been added to the top, bottom, left and right. Let's go ahead and increase the amount of margin to see the difference. I am going to go from a 10 pixel margin to a 30 pixel margin and just save and refresh the page. So you can see that it increases the amount of margin by 20 pixel. Now you will see, for example, we did want add a margin on every side. We only want to apply the margin bottom and left side, while in that case our style definition would look like this. This instructs the web browser to put 0 pixel margin on top. The second value is a 0 pixel margin to right. The third value represents the bottom margin, that is 30 pixel on the bottom, and the last value is left margin, so that's 30 pixel on the left side of the div. And actually I will just increase it to the 50. So we can actually see the difference. I will save that and refresh the web browser. So now we have no top margin, we have no right margin, but our left and bottom margin has increased.